Greetings, good morning, and happy Monday. Here we are with our weekly Letting Go guidance session, and this is the last one of 2019. If you're here with me live, say hi, or if you have any questions or insights about what we're going to do today, just pop it in the questions below. So, if you've been following these all throughout 2019, I just kind of come in here with you, just focus on how was the weekend. I know we're in holiday mode right now, festive season and such. So I hope you're actually getting a chance to rest, to have fun, but also, this is actually one of my favorite times of the year, and I have a number of different rituals, routines, ideas of what I like to accomplish or to attend to uh, as we wrap up the passing year. So, how was 2019 for you? Did it actually give you what you needed? And now we're stepping into a brand new decade. 2020, I believe 2020 is going to be an amazing year for all of us. So, with all that being said, so here we are ending up 2019. And this is a great time to really just do a review. What kind of things are you going to take forward with you? Do you have a one word theme? Have you set that a theme for yourself for the incoming year? Uh, and if you haven't, that's okay. You still have time to review or to set intentions or to just check in. What do you want less of? And what do you want more of? This is about very much stepping forward with your own guidance, with your own wisdom, tapping into really creating what it is you're capable of. And so just let's do this together. Take a nice deep breath with me. Land into this moment. And like I say, if you're here live, say hi and we'll do this together. But if you're watching the recording, the energy's still the same. So you can still do this with me, whether you're watching live or watching later today or tomorrow. Just take a nice deep breath. Oh, talking about tomorrow, I have an Ask the Tarot session, which will be all about letting go of the passing year, which is what this is too. And I'll put the link for that if you'd like to sign up and join me on. And actually, tomorrow is I love tomorrow. January 31st is called Hogmanay. And Hogmanay is what we call New Year's Eve in Scotland. So, like I said, I'll put the link for that in the comments below. So, back to this, what we're doing. So, just pause for a moment. Now we're really landing into this moment. And what comes up here in this little question is, what am I letting go of? What am I putting down and releasing and leaving it in 2019 so that I can really step forward with certainty, with confidence, with alignment with my soul's calling? What am I going to let go of and release in order to become more fully who I am, to shine my light more fully? I'm saying this for you, so this is your intention. What am I letting go of in order to more fully align with my soul's calling, with my actual piece of leadership? Each one of us has our own specific gift, our own specific thing, if you like, that only we can bring. And this is all about playing our part, playing our role in the game of life that we're all playing. And this is really, 2020 is really going to be a time for doing that. And so what we're going to work on letting go of is gossiping or spreading rumors. And this is a really powerful one, because gossiping and spreading rumors is creating more energy around you that you may not want. But this is a great thing to put down and leave in 2019. And actually, it's funny because guess what? The number of it is 19 also. So, very much, let's all work on letting go of gossiping or spreading rumors. And I'm going to read this out to you to see. This gives us just a little bit more guidance in that whole idea. So, in the book, The Four Agreements, Don Miguel Ruiz taught us 4 simple rules to live a life of peace and happiness, which is really what we want to be doing, right? So this is a great like I say, I'm really happy about the timing of this. So the first rule is to be impeccable with our word. Expressing ourselves impeccably is to express yourself in the direction of truth and love. This includes expressing love, respect, and acceptance for yourself. Emotions of jealousy, envy, frustration, and sadness fall into the category of not being impeccable. Good morning, Ruth Ann. Nice to see you. Happy New Year to you too, my love. So, yes, emotions of jealousy, envy, frustration, and sadness all fall into the category of not being impeccable. Another aspect of being impeccable is to be without fault or shame. Sorry, blame. Could be shame too, though. That means to refrain from expressing gossip, rumors, criticism, judgment, or finding fault with yourself or with someone else. Being without criticism in your expression doesn't just mean with the words you speak, but with the thoughts you think also. Refraining from blaming people will lead you to take total ownership and responsibility for your life, which is so beautiful because you know what? The energy of 2020 is a 22, right? The two twos. So that's about master builder, building something that's going to last. But the other part of it is it's a four, and four is very much about leadership, about responsibility. From a tarot perspective, the energy of 2020 is going to be the emperor, which is also about leadership. So it's really, I love how this is all taking place for us. So we are not going to take the propensity of gossip or rumor mongering or talking badly about ourselves into 2020, about ourselves or about other people. And you know, that kind of thing is always an inside job. It always starts with how you talk to yourself and about yourself. So right now I am shuffling the tarot cards because with these sessions I'd like to draw one tarot card and then we'll draw three of Doreen Virtue's angel cards. And that's all going to give us support and ideas on this whole piece around letting go of gossiping or rumor mongering, spreading rumors. This is beautiful. It's the world. Isn't that awesome? So it's in alignment with what I was just saying about today and tomorrow. These are the 2 days that we actually just really look at. What are you letting go of? What are you saying? Thank you so much for by 2019. What are you putting down? And then the tarot card says that when we clean up those things, those negativities, those talking badly about ourselves or to ourselves, we can actually create and have anything that your heart desires. It's possible for you. So focus on what is it you want? What do you want more of? And always remember that the world is your oyster. The world is in the palm of your hand when you really get clear on doing what it is that lights you up, that brings that unique piece that is you into this world, because that actually is your responsibility. We all, like I said, we all have a unique spark, a unique gift, a unique piece in the grand scheme of things, and it's our responsibility to show up with it. So this, as we step into this new decade, this is really important. And so I've just drawn three of Doreen Virtue's angel cards because I like to say, like I said, these give us really good insights and more inspiration. So listening. This, I love this card. I love these cards actually. And we've got some really powerful ones to support this idea of watch what and be the witness of what's coming out of your mouth about yourself to other people. That's going to be a really important part because you want to really be an open, clear channel for your own messages of guidance. And by doing that, you get to trust. So trust that everything is in perfect order for you and that your part is to open up and receive the guidance. And the guidance often comes through your dreams. So pay attention to your dreams. And the other thing too, you know, I just showed you that the World Tarot card came up for us too. And so that makes me think of if you can dream it, you can do it or you can have it. So let 2020 be the beginning, the start of this new decade of you really stepping up, you being the leader that you are truly capable of doing, and bring your gifts. That's what we're all doing together. And we will walk ourselves into this new decade with love, compassion, ownership, responsibility, and love. Remember, no more gossiping or spreading rumors. Thank you so much. I wish you a wonderful New Year celebration, whatever your plans are, and I will see you in the new year. Thanks for watching. Much love.